In this demonstration, I'm going to show how to clean a stainless steel sink. Using your favorite cleanser, measure it according to the directions. I use a half a teaspoon of an all-purpose super concentrated cleanser. Be careful not to use too much, as the suds will cause more hard work and longer rinsing time. Using a green scrubbing sponge, scour all sides of the sink, and be careful when you clean the faucet. Use the soft side of the sponge so you don't scratch it. Keep a toothbrush handy for edges and cracks where there might be buildup. The toothbrush also works great for getting in the drain edges where it can be particularly dirty. If you have a lot of particles that are sticking to the sink, you can also use a scouring paste to help remove the scum. In this particular demonstration, I did not need to use a scouring paste, but keep in mind that it's an option. If you have a spray unit at your sink, this helps rinsing time go much faster. You can also use your hands to wipe the soap suds down off the edge of the sink. When you're done with the rinsing, use a microfiber cloth to dry the sink. And keep in mind, you can use the damp microfiber cloth to dust other things around the kitchen.